Microsoft Office Suite is a popular and sophisticated software but very expensive. There are several alternatives for this suite, but quite behind it. So for daily word processing, spreadsheet and presentation work, virtually there is no satisfactory alternative of Microsoft Office. But don't worry, it's true only for offline Microsoft Office. If you have an internet connection and a browser, you can have full-featured Microsoft Office Suite for free. It does not matter which operating system you are using. Open browser such as Google Chrome. Go to the website office.com. Click on Sign In. Provide a Microsoft or Skype account. If you don't have one, just open an account. Look at that, all Microsoft apps are here. To find all Microsoft apps, click on the arrow. To find word processor, click on the Word app. Look, all documents saved in my Onedrive storage are shown below. To open a new document, click on New Blank Document. Here is a full-featured Microsoft Word. You can save documents from here to Onedrive storage. You can also find a free Cloud Office app from Windows 10 PC. From the Start menu, find the Office. If you already signed into Microsoft accounts, it should show all documents stored in Onedrive. If you click on an app or try to open a document, it will be opened in the browser. To use it offline, you must buy Microsoft Office or Office 365.